Hi everyone, this is Arfin, and today we are going to automate our expected tail loss calculation. Let's import libraries. Run this. All right, so let's define a function and let's say expected tail loss. And what we are going to do is we are going to say stocks, start date, end date. Okay, so I'm going to define a data frame first, pd dot data frame, and then confidence interval is 0.975, which is 97.5% confidence interval. So data is equal to, let's import data here. So it's pretty much same what I have done in my previous video, but here I'm just basically automating it. So it's gonna be more easy to check the expected tail loss of multiple stock rather than doing it for individual stock one by one. So let's download stocks, comma, start is equal to start date, and is equal to end date, and then progress false. I don't want a lot of details, and then adjusted price. Now we are going to run a loop for I in stocks return underscore I is equal to np dot log data I divided by dot shift of 1. So it's gonna be a daily return. If I want weekly, I will put 5 here and so on. Dot drop NA. Now value at risk of individual stock will be equal to np dot percentile return of I, comma 100 into 1 minus confidence interval, tail loss of I is equal to return I less than var of I. And then it's gonna be same condition what I have used previously. If length of tail loss of I is greater than 0, then ETL of I will be equal to np dot mean tail loss of I, else ETL of I will be equal to 0. Now let's print this, print I, comma, value at risk confidence interval into 100 into var of I into 100. Okay, I have done one small mistake here. It should be like this. So confidence interval will be the uh, this part, and then this part is basically representing our value at risk. Alrighty, close the bracket and let's print our expected tail loss. Let's run this. Perfect. Now let's call the function. So it's gonna be in the list. So Apple, Ford, Amazon, our start date will be 2023 1/1, and our end date gonna be 2023 12/31. Let's run this. Perfect. So okay, instead of saying two zero decimal point, we can say two decimal, and then let's see how it look like. Okay, perfect. So the Apple value at risk at 97.5% confidence level is -2.3%. Similarly, expected tail loss is 3%. And we can see for Ford and for Amazon, it's all perfect. We can add more stock if you like. All right, great. So that's all for now. Hope it's gonna be helpful for you. Thank you.